My name is Patrick Astredo, Deputy Executive Officer of ITS at LA Metro. LA Metro is the transit provider for the LA County Metropolitan Transportation Authority. We move approximately 1.4 million people every day. My job supports every department within LA Metro. We have 10,000 employees. We had an internal audit that was done that showed that we were lacking in certain areas. And we had requests from the users to simplify their work. We needed to be able to be responsive to the compliance requirements. We had difficulties capturing data, utilizing paper, and for us to be able to capture this data real time using a mobile device, not having to replicate that work again, adding it into the system was a benefit. I like that we eliminate the paper process. We have accountability for employees entering information correctly. We have real-time information. We work in disconnected mode, which is a significant benefit because some of our inspectors are in a tunnel where they don't have connectivity. We can capture pictures, we can capture detailed information about the inspections that they're doing, and then we can also report on it more accurately. Metro strives to be the best transit agency in the world. Our direction from our CEO has always been to strive for what's best. The cloud allowed us to be able to expand and utilize the devices to be able to upload information in a real time that we just couldn't do before. We just made our employees' life a little bit nicer and again more accountable and more responsive to the needs of the agency. So therefore, I get a lot of gratitude out of that.